What the heck do you want? What would you like, Timmy? Eh? You like my attention?
You strike me as more of a usually cabernet.
You're a nut.
What? You don't seem like the type for whiskey shops.
How am I supposed to hold this? Like that? Is that how it's supposed to go?
No.
Oh, look at the cute boy. Timmy, look at me. Hey, Timmy, look at me. Oh, all right. Play with your stupid dumb toy. Are you a seal? All right. Have at it. Timmy? Timmy, do you remember? Look at me. Timmy, look at me. Good boy. Yeah, you're cute. Oh, that doesn't mean it. Oh, I know what that means. You think that means. Sorry, you already had enough today.
Sure,